Namaskaram everyone. Good evening. Let us begin. Sit straight. Gently close your eyes. Visualize the image of Bhagwan Ganesha in front of your eyes. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us start with the opening prayer. All together. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Let us take the blessings from Bhagwan Ganesha. Gently blink your eyes open. Let us start the revision from the beginning. Repeat after me. Shri Guru Charana Saroja Raja निज मनु मुखुरु सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर बिमल जसु जोदायक फलचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहिम हरहु कलेस विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसतिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरन बिराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र औ ध्वजा बिराजै कांदे मूंज जनेऊ साजै शङ्कर सुवन केसरी नन्दन तेज प्रताप महाजगवन्दन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा बिकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे। लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बढ़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई। So we completed till 12. Now we are going to move to 13. So what I recommend is that on Friday, so tomorrow we will be doing 17 to 20. Today's 13 to 16. Tomorrow 17 to 20. So we'll reach the halfway mark. On Friday, we will do a group chanting where I will unmute participants one after another and you can chant. And if there are any changes, I can recommend. If you don't want to participate in the group, you can also send me your voice recording. Message me separately, not in the group. You can DM me separately with your audio recording, either whatever we have completed so far, or if any particular chaupai you want any help or you want to recite and check. So based on that, you can send me a voice recording. I can listen to it and recommend if any changes needed. Okay, so 13th. Sahasa. Sahasa badana. Sahasa badana. Tumharo. So the ma is half and ha is full. So tumharo. Tumharo jasa gawai. Gawai. Just have a nasal wa. There is a anuswara there. Gawai. Sahasa badana tumharo jasa gawai. Asa kahi. Asa kahi. Shripati. Shripati. Asa kahi Shripati. Kantha. Kantha. The ta is Mahaprana, so you'll have to say Kantha. Kantha lagavai. Kantha lagavai. अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै. So what this chaupai, again from 9th onwards, we are seeing all those uh, accomplishments or the work of Hanumanji, which is enumerated by Tulsidas ji. So in this, after Hanumanji brought the Sanjeevani herb and saved Lakshmana, Rama is very happy, very joyful that Lakshmana was saved. So in that state of joy, he says that may the 1,000-mouthed serpent, which is the Adisesha himself, so Sahasa Badana, Sahasa 1,000, Badana mouth, 1,000-mouthed Adisesha, Tumharo Jasa Gavaim. Gavai means sing. So let that Adisesha himself, let him sing your praise. And Asa Kahi, Shripati. Shripati refers to Rama. Rama told this way, and then Kantha Lagavaim, hugged together. So Kanta is usually referred to as neck or throat. So when they embrace each other, their Kanta are together, is what I heard in one of the discourses. So Kantha Lagavaim, meaning Rama embraced Hanumanji by saying that may the 1,000-mouthed Adisesha praise you, is what Sri Rama said through this verse. Let's chant. सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावैं सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावैं अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावैं अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावैं सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावैं अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावैं. One more time. सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावैं अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावैं. Moving on to 14. Sanakadika. Sanakadika Brahmadi. Again, here ha is half and ma is full. So you'll have to say Brahmadi. Brahmadi Munisa. Ni is bigger. So you'll have to stretch it a little bit. Munisa, not Munisa, Munisa. Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Narada, Narada, Sarada, Sarada, Narada Sarada, Sahita, Sahita, Ahisa. Again, he is here Sahita, here it is Ahisa. So it is the he, Ahisa. Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Narada, Sarada, Sahita, Ahisa. So if you're following the English version, whenever you see a line on top, it means you'll have to extend. Brahmadi. So A here is Brah. Brahmadi. A on top of the line on top of A indicates you have to extend. Brahmadi. Same way Munisa. Ahisa. Okay, so remember the transliteration. So this means here Tulsidas ji is listing a set of people. First is Sanakadika. Adhika means etc. etc. So Sanaka and other sages. Brahmadi, again Adi refers to all the gods. Brahma and all the other celestial deities. Munisa, saints, all the saints. Narada, then Sarada. Sarada indicates goddess Saraswati herself. Narada, goddess Saraswati. Sahita, all of them put together. Ahisa, along with Adisesha, the king of serpents. So this is a continuation. So the next line is where we will know why Tulsidas ji is listing all these people in this one verse. So the way to chant, Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Narada Sarada Sahita Hahisa. Narada Sarada Sahita Hahisa. Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Narada Sarada Sahita Hahisa. Sanakadika Brahmadi Munisa. Narada Sarada Sahita Hahisa. Okay, we'll move on to the 15th one. So 14 and 15 are connected lines. So here he has listed some of the people, and he will continue it further. Jama. In some places it is written as Jama. In some books it is written as Jama. Some books it is written as Yama. So Yama is who is referred here. So you can either say Yama or Jama. Jama, Kubera. Kubera, Dikpala. 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 Again, here some places the pronunciation is Dikpala. In some places it is Dikapala. So you can use either Dikpala or Dikapala. Jahante. Again, ha. Use a nasal ha. Jahante. Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. So I'm used to saying Yama. So Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. Kabi, Kabi, Kobida. Kabi, Kobida. Again, you can say B or B. Kabi or Kabi. Kabi, Kobida. Kabi, Kobida. Kahi, Kahi, Sake. Sake, Kahi, Sake. Kahante, Kahante. Again, nasal ha. Kahante. Kabi Kobida Kahi Sake Kahante. Jama Yama Gubera. Yama Kubera Dikpala. Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. Yama Kubera Dikpala Jahante. Kabi Kobida Kahi Sake Kahante. Kabi Kobida Kahi Sake Kahante. So the list continues in this verse as well. So Yama, god of death, Yama. Kubera, god of wealth. Dikpala, and then all those people along with Kavi. Kavi is poets. All the poets, Kovida, all the scholars. All of them, Kahi Sake Kahante. They are not able to express your glory completely. adequately. Whatever they try to express is only partial. So it is only to tell that, such great people were not able to express your glory completely. What can I do as, as Tulsidas ji, in his state of humility, he says that what can I write that, all these people have failed to express completely. So it is a list of all the people that he has mentioned in these two verses, who have previously tried to enumerate the glory and greatness of Hanumanji. Let's chant. यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते, यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते, यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहांते. Last verse for today. तुम तुम उपकार, तुम उपकार, सुग्रीवहीम, सुग्रीवहीम. Again here, Sugrivahin Kinha. You can either say Sugrivahin, just the nasal he, or Sugrivahim Kinha. But when you join Sugrivahim Kinha, there is a slight delay to join Sugrivahim and Kinha together. So you can say Sugrivahim, he, Kinha. So half na and full ha. So Kinha. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा. When you use a nasal ha, it's very easy to join with कीन्हा. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा. राम मिलाय, राम मिलाय, राजपद, राजपद दीन्हा. First line is Keenha, second line is Deenha. Deenha. Rama Milaya Rajapada Deenha. Tuma Upakara Sugrivahi Keenha. Rama Milaya Rajapada Deenha. So here the context shifts. Now Tulsidas ji talks about that part in Ramayana where Rama helps Sugriva. So he helped Sugriva, and how did Rama help Sugriva? It was only through Hanumanji who brought these two people together, Rama and Sugriva together, and then Rama helped Sugriva reclaim his throne. So this is that part of the story. He is including it over here. So one of the discourses I heard that Sugriva is referred as the Jivatma and Rama is referred to as the Paramatma. And Hanumanji is the Guru who connects the Jivatma with the Paramatma. So this is one of the interpretations of how a guru is required to connect Jivatma with Paramatma, and here Hanumanji plays the role of that guru. Let's chant. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा, तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा. Now 16 verses are done, so we will chant. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. The 4 verses together. सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावई, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावई. सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा. यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा. One more time, let's go through the 4 verses for today before we conclude. सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावई, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावई. सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा. यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहांते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते. तुम उपकार सुग्रीवहि कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की. Gently close your eyes. Visualize the image of Hanumanji in front of your eyes. Let's conclude with a closing prayer. Bring your hands to Namaskara Mudra. Repeat after me. Buddhirbalam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvamarogata ajatyam vakpatutvancha hanumat smaranat bhavet. Let us take the blessings of Hanumanji. Gently blink your eyes open. Thank you. Good evening. Have a beautiful evening ahead. I'll see you all tomorrow.